Well, folks, it definitely is hot and dry out there. Has been for the last few days, but now we're going to start to see some changes to this pattern as we see storms develop. Could help change the dry and the hot conditions both. Now, looking out over D.C., yes, still a very sunny, hot day. That's what it's turning into out there. But there are a few more clouds in the sky, a sign of that cold front approaching from the west. And thus far in Hagerstown, still quiet, but nearby out across portions of western Maryland, West Virginia, things aren't quite so quiet. Here we are again, nothing really popping up on the radar picture to the east, but we have a broken line of thunderstorms off to the west. And we did at one point have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings active, but it looks like the National Weather Service just dropped another one of those for this cell that passed over Paw Paw, West Virginia. It's been moving northeast along the Potomac River. No longer severe warned, but it is crossing into now Allegheny and Washington counties here right along the I-70 corridor. This is heading toward X-Line, Hancock, Burnt Factory, and passing just beside Berkeley Springs there off to the west. So this is going to be moving into the I-70 Route 522 corridor. No longer severe warned, but gusty winds, some very heavy rainfall certainly still possible with that thunderstorm. And here's our one active warning ongoing here. This goes until 12:30 across Hampshire County, West Virginia. Davis Ford, Millbrook really seeing that intense heavy rainfall. And these pinks right here on radar could indicate some hail coming down with this thunderstorm as well. We have the tag from the National Weather Service indicating damaging wind gusts and hail are the main threats with this severe thunderstorm warning as it moves toward Bubbling Spring, Highview. This is going to be right along the West Virginia line within a matter of 15 to 20 minutes or so. And it's no wonder that these thunderstorms are popping up already with that approaching cold front. We have a pretty good environment for them to strengthen up out there. Air temperatures already in the low 90s to the east, mid 80s, seeing a little bit of a cool down already taking place with those storms to the west. And look at the heat index value. That feels like temperature. It is already feeling like 106 in Waldorf, 100 degrees in D.C. So as this activity does move east, we are expecting the possibility of more severe activity the rest of this afternoon and evening. Here's that SPC, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today. This area of yellow indicating that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. So we are going to have to be prepared as this activity does continue. Here we are as we approach 2 o'clock. We start to see more activity developing down to the south and west, and most of that out to the west right now will continue to move east. Now, this is just one particular model that indicates a lot of the activity today does focus across the north central part of the DMV, across the eastern panhandle, western central Maryland. But it is not out of the question that a few of those thunderstorms could develop to the south across northern Virginia over toward D.C. and I-95. But as of right now, there is still enough dry air that could keep those thunderstorms at bay. But everybody needs to be on standby, watching out for that possibility of severe weather through the mid-afternoon all the way into the early evening. Now, by the time we hit 8 to 9 o'clock tonight, any activity that is left over with that sun going down, it should just wrap up or weaken to just a few rain showers out there. The rest of your Thursday night heading into Friday morning, it looks to be rather quiet. But once again, with that cold front getting hung up off to our east, barely out of the DMV, oh yes, we're going to see renewed chances for showers and possibly a few stronger thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon as well. But overall, the chance for any sort of severe weather goes down as our temperatures start to drop. There we are, down to the low 90s on your Friday, mid 80s Saturday, and then we do really start to feel a lot cooler as some rainfall hangs around Sunday into Monday.